NKM specializes in precision machining and services all levels of manufacturing, including industries such as food and beverage. We are known for our ability to minimize downtime in operations and provide high-quality products and services. Our target customers range from small businesses to large enterprise, and we focus on industries that require precision and reliability. I'm Joe Sterling, Vice President of Operations for Northern Kentucky Machine. So we are a job shop, machine shop. We take large, small projects, prototype projects, anything of that kind, and we try to run it through as efficiently as possible. The specific challenges that we were facing was labor shortage, finding good people. We had to come up with another solution to put something in place where I can't find skilled labor. Automation is going to be the next thing, as we can't find people coming into our industry and wanting to be in manufacturing. This gives us the ability to increase capacity with another person, except it's a robot. Our hesitation was the technology was new, the unknowns of a robot. Our guys can program machines and run machinery, but nobody in this facility had ever ran or touched a robot. Customer support and service is fantastic. AWR is here the minute we need them. The process of integrating the RC2 was very seamless because of the help of AWR. AWR took care of everything for us. We didn't have to worry about any of it. You know, they sent a guy in here, he hooked it up, wired it, did everything we needed. We didn't have to worry about it until it was time to start operating it. My team adapted to the new system quickly. They were very hesitant at first because it is a new technology being introduced into the shop. Yeah, it takes longer to set up this machine and this robot, but you're going to run this machine and this robot on a longer run job. So as a job shop, we have 5 10-part runs that we're going to run in our other equipment. Our 100, 200 piece runs that we're running, we're going to run on a robot. So we're going to take that extra time to set this machine up. So it's going to take longer, but it's going to give us more efficiency. So the robot gives us the ability to turn the lights off and continue to make parts. Since we've implemented this system, we've increased our capacities and been able to scale our production. While we were still collecting data to fully qualify the improvements, we observed early signs of fast production times and more efficient labor utilization. As we continue to integrate the RC2 robots into our operations, we expect to see measurable improvements in production speed and reduction in defects, contributing to a greater overall efficiency. It's efficient, it's awesome, it's helping us make a leap forward. I don't want anybody else to have it. Overall, our experience with RC2 robots has been very positive. The system has integrated smoothly into our operations, and the support from AWR has been top-notch. We look forward to continuing to optimize the system and seeing even greater benefits as we gather more data. The automation has positioned NKM for growth, and we're excited about the future possibilities it offers for both our operations and our customers.